This is Iris Patin for Butterfly Circles. I'm on a roller coaster of synchronicities today, and I wanted to share it with you. Just a big truck passed by with a huge eagle on his back and on the sides, and this is like go for the vibrations. The vibrations of this period are, in fact, very strange, to be honest, because the old world is breaking down and we can feel it through the emotions. So it's very important that we work the emotions. And how can we work the emotions? Because many people, they don't work the emotions, so they get stuck, so they get depressed. This is not a time to be wasting our time to be depressed, So this is the time to move your ass and sing or dance if you are stuck in emotions. First of all, we have to figure out where we are stuck, if we are stuck. Sometimes it has to be with guilt. Sometimes we did not forgive ourselves for things that we did in our lives. Or sometimes we postpone things. This is another thing. So first of all, if you're stuck in emotions, see if you feel guilty or something, or you just have to check if there are emotions that are lingering and that you did not say to people that must hear your emotions. Or maybe you don't know your limits. This is very female women or men. They are really struggling with their limits. What is their limit? How do they give their limits to others? Because sometimes they just are invaded by other emotions that are not theirs. So it's a very good time to really see where are your limits and give it to the people. Otherwise, you don't feel safe. And this is something that I feel with many women who are spiritual. They are open, their heart is open, they give their self even in the love. So one of the things is, if you don't have this limit, they will eat you. So many people are just consuming. This is what we've learned. This is the old school, that we consume from one another because we feel empty if the emotions are not balanced. So this is a very good time to balance your emotions. Know why are they stuck. And another thing, what I wanted to say is that don't postpone things. Many people, they postpone things. For example, I know people in my practice that say, oh, I always wanted to paint. I want to be the artist, but I will do that when I'm retired. And it's like, why would you wait until you are retired? It's like, wow. Why people have these dreams of being harpist or being, traveling or doing things that they really need to be happy, and they postpone it. This is wrong. One of the things is that we don't have time anymore. We really need to ride on positive vibrations. So if we don't give these things that our soul needs now, we have to do it now. I hear many people say for 10 years, well, I want to move out my house, but now I don't have time, but I don't feel well in my house. I really need to move, but they repeat themselves. So look, what are you repeating all the time? Look at it and take action, because now you can move out of the old, because the old is breaking down. So the more you are breaking down your own stuff, your own emotions, your own habits, the more you will invite the new in your life. And it's really, if you really can plant the seeds now for a new and a better world, we begin with ourselves. So we have to listen to ourselves, to be responsible to respond to our own needs. It's very important. So these are the vibrations of this period. And please don't postpone anything. If you say, well, I want to meet my friend at Christmas, but I don't have time, I need to work, please make time for these precious moments that you have in your life. Everything that gives you more vibrations, more vitality, let's do it now so that we create together, because we always do it together, so that we can create a better world for ourselves, our children, and for humanity. I wish you a beautiful, beautiful Christmas period. Enjoy December, where we have the light in ourselves. You have to know when the light goes down, when there is not so much sun, there is a lot of moon, and there is a lot of inner light. So let that light and let it shine, and enjoy these beautiful cozy moments. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye. Happy Christmas.